The 7 best snorkeling spots in Tonga for beginners and families. Welcome to Tonga, a South Pacific paradise for snorkeling enthusiasts. With crystal clear waters, vibrant coral reefs, and diverse marine life, it's a dream destination. Let's dive into the top snorkeling spots perfect for beginners and families. 1. Hapai Group. This cluster of islands in central Tonga is known for untouched beauty. Foa Island in particular offers fantastic snorkeling. Its calm, shallow waters are teeming with colorful coral gardens and abundant marine life, making it ideal for beginners and families. 2. Vava'u Group. Located in northern Tonga, Vava'u is surrounded by protected coral reefs boasting incredible biodiversity. From vibrant coral gardens to majestic manta rays and humpback whales, it's a haven for underwater adventurers. Guided snorkeling tours ensure a safe and memorable experience. 3. Ewa Island. This southernmost island of Tonga offers an off-the-beaten-path snorkeling experience. Known for colorful soft corals, sea fans, and underwater caves, it's a true hidden treasure. However, strong currents in some areas may require more experience. 4. Pangaimotu Island. So, just a short boat ride from the Tongan capital, Nuku'alofa, this island offers a convenient and accessible snorkeling experience. Clear and calm waters provide excellent visibility for observing vibrant coral reefs and a variety of marine life. 5. Nuku Island. This small, uninhabited island in the Vava'u group is a hidden gem. With pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and thriving coral reefs, it's a secluded paradise perfect for families seeking tranquility away from the crowds. Before you dive in, remember these tips. Choose the right equipment and practice snorkeling techniques. Respect the marine environment and always snorkel with a buddy. Check weather and water conditions before heading out. Tonga's underwater world is waiting for you. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned snorkeler, these spots offer unforgettable experiences. So grab your snorkel gear and dive into the adventure. Book with a Tonga specialist at Far and Away Adventures.